I am Dr. Vilas Magarkar, Chief of Department of Cardiology, St. Nandalal Dhoot Hospital, a Videocon run hospital in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Today, we all gathered here for a very innovative kind of a program which is been done by Times Group of India and Biocon on the women's heart as such.
So what do you think? What are your viewpoints about Queen of Heart initiative?
Yeah. Uh, it is in fact an eye opener, I'll say, because when we were studying at that time, we used to think that women are protected from the heart diseases because of the estrogen. As we grew up and now as we are practicing cardiologists, we are seeing more and more female patients, women patients coming to us as a heart patients very frequently and now in a younger age groups also.
So what are the
35 years young female coming up with a chest pain, atypical chest pain and some ECG changes. We used to think that previously this is non-cardiac chest pain and these ECG changes are false changes. They are non-specific changes. The same thing is not getting true now. When we do a stress test, we are finding that the stress test is positive. When we are doing angiogram, we are finding not single vessel but even diffuse disease, more disease than the usual. Then otherwise it would have been in a men. So the disease pattern as such is not only increasing among the men but they are increasing among women also. Age is also younger and younger females are getting heart problems. Various reasons for that, but the thing is that we should not neglect the chest pain or atypical chest pain or any other chest pain equivalent symptom in a women. We should thoroughly evaluate it and don't think that women are immune for heart problems.
So do you think this we have a mindset about women, the cultural mindset that women come on last priority in our everything, and we are a male-dominated society. Do you think the same mindset is somewhere applied in managing the health of women?
That is true to some extent. That is true to some extent. In urban population, in rural population, in educated people, in uneducated people, and in rich and poor one. Women's health is taken at the last. Even the female part as such also takes her own health as the last priority and considers family as the first priority as far as the health problems are concerned or as far as the welfare is concerned. The same thing, as you rightly said, is logically applied to the women health and women heart problem also.
So thank you, Dr. Vilas. Just one message that we want you to say that let's protect our Queen of Heart.
Yeah. Uh, every woman must, after 30, must check the heart profile, you can say, lipid profile, blood sugars, take an ECG done, stress test done, even if asymptomatic, get herself evaluated because you never know she may be harboring a disease which may propped up in future.